Anisha and Christine.
With hard work,
We can start, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
hard work and dedication, anything is possible. Good morning to one and all present here. We, the students of first year BEd of AICESR, Christina Peddy and Anisha Birla, welcome you all to the inauguration program of the 7 days online national level workshop on NetSet exam, which has been organized by IQAC and Competitive Exam Cell of AICESR.
Moving forward to start with the inauguration program, let us begin with the Ascendity University song.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, only 1 minute. We are sharing.
Okay, okay.
संस्कृतास्ति पराशक्ति स्वर हमारा है संस्कृतास्ति पराशक्ति स्वर हमारा है विश्व है परिवार भारत घर हमारा है विश्व है परिवार भारत घर हमारा है हम नहीं है दीन कहता कौन हम अबला है सबल संस्कृति हमारी हम सभी सबला ज्योति से जगमग हुआ अंतर हमारा है विश्व है परिवार भारत घर हमारा है स्वप्न ठाकर सी हुआ साकार है इसमें महर्षि करवे तपस्या सार है इसमें हम दिशाएं और ये दिनकर हमारा है विश्व है परिवार भारत घर हमारा है संस्कृतास्ति पराशक्ति स्वर हमारा है विश्व है परिवार भारत घर हमारा है विश्व है परिवार भारत घर हमारा है
Anisha, please continue.
Now I request our respected principal, Dr. Sarita Verma Madam, to please present the welcome note.
Thank you, Christine. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please proceed.
A very warm and pleasant good morning to one and all. Today, for the inauguration, we are honored to have a chief guest with us, Pro Vice Chancellor, SNDT Women's University, Mumbai, Dr. Professor Ruby Oja, Madam. A hearty welcome, Madam.
Thank you so much.
I also welcome our Administrator, Ashoka Education Foundation, Dr. Nareen Telrande. I extend welcome to all the resource persons, educators, alumni, students, basically the aspirants for the inauguration program of 7 days online national workshop on NetSet exam organized by Competitive Exam Cell, an initiative under IQSC. From last 3 years, we are organizing the workshop to guide the aspirants to qualify exams. As NetSet exam is in pipeline, and this is what is the need of R to begin with. Our Honorable Chairman, Ashoka Education Foundation, Mr. Ashok Kataria sir, strongly believes that students should be empowered with knowledge and skill. With this objective to serve the society, we have organized this unique workshop. Also, it was students' request for career advancement. Definitely, this 7 days NetSet workshop will be beneficial to all the NetSet aspirants as we have all distinguished speakers, resource person to guide all of them. Once again, I welcome everyone to the workshop. Thank you. To you, Christine.
Thank you, madam, for the wonderful welcome note. It has indeed filled us with positive vibes.
Moving further, I call upon the convener of the workshop, Mr. Ganesh Wagh sir, to introduce us with the workshop.
Yes, thank you. Good morning, everyone, honorable dignitaries, and all the participants. AICSR's competitive exam is one of the best practice of our college. Every year, under the initiative of this cell, we arrange various programs like national level workshop on NetSet exam, seminars, webinars, webinars on how to prepare for the MPSC exam, how to prepare for the UPSC exam, workshops on CTT exam, workshops on TET exam, expert sessions for the preparation of various exams like banking exam, SSC, LIC, Maharashtra Group C exam, etc. The best thing is that all the initiatives are result oriented. Under the guidance of this cell, 85 students qualified CTT exam, 8 students have qualified NET and SET exam, 12 students qualified Army Public School exam, means APS exam, 4 of our students qualified Kendriya Vidyalaya Samiti's exam, KVS exam, 2 of our students qualified MPSC exam, and 1 of our students qualified UPSC and CDS exam. To continue the legacy of success, AICSR has organized 1 week workshop on the NetSet exam for NetSet aspirants from 2nd of December to 8th of December. NET shall remain the minimum eligibility condition for recruitment and appointment of assistant professors in university, colleges or institutions all over the India. And SET exam, SET is the qualified candidates are eligible to apply for the post of assistant professor only in the universities, colleges in the state from where they have cleared their SET. The main purpose behind conducting the workshop is to provide the guidance of NetSet exam for the aspirants. While planning the workshop, we have considered the UGC guidelines and the syllabus which were shared by UGC and SET. On this, we have organized various sessions like paper 1, general guidance, research and higher education, comprehension, mathematical reasoning, data interpretation, teacher's aptitude, information and communication technology, etc. And for all the topics, experts, we have selected the experts, and they are having expertise in their field. Welcome to Dr. Shashikant Shinde sir. Sir also joined for our program, and sir is the expert for today's session. and sir has qualified near about 10 net set exams in various subjects. Welcome, sir. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving us the brief introduction about the workshop. This workshop will be really grateful for all the students which are connected with us.
Now I request our IQAC coordinator of AICESR, Dr. Preeti Sonar Madam, to please introduce us to our chief guest for today's inaugural program, Professor Dr. Ruby Ojha Madam, the Pro Vice Chancellor of SNDT Women's University, Mumbai.
Thank you, Christina. It is indeed an honor to introduce you all with chief guest for the inaugural program, Professor Dr. Ruby Oza Madam, Pro Vice Chancellor of SNDT Women's University, Mumbai. Madam has an illustrious experience of more than 30 years in the field of academia. Madam has done her MA in Economics and completed PhD in Economics from Giri Institute of Development Studies. Madam has more than 25 years of teaching experience in reputed colleges like Sydenham College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai, Srimati B.M. Ruya Girls College, Mumbai, and many other colleges. Madam has great experience in research institutes like Indian Institute of Management, Lucknow. Madam has also worked as director of BCUD, Finance and Accounts Office, and officer on special duty of SNDT Women's University, Mumbai. Madam has also done a remarkable work in publications. Ma'am has authored 2 books and published more than 40 research papers. She has been granted with 4 research projects fundings. Madam has also done n number of presentations in conferences and symposia. Under ma'am's guidance, 10 students have been awarded with their PhD degrees. Madam has been awarded the prestigious award called Vagdhara Navratna Samman for the work done in the field of education. The award was presented by Mahamahim Shri Bhagat Singh Kosiari ji, Governor of Maharashtra State and Chancellor of SNDT Women's University. We are indeed honored to have you with us today, ma'am. Thank you so much. Over to you, Christine. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for introducing us to such a dynamic personality.
Now I request our today's chief guest, Professor Dr. Ruby Ojha Madam, to please address us with her valuable words.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sonar Madam, for introducing me to the audience. And thank you, students who are anchoring the show. Thank you. In fact, I extend a warm good morning to each and everyone present in this program. Sarita Verma Madam, Shashikant Shinde Sir, whom I have already met, Sonar Madam, Administrator Sir, all the resource persons, and my dear students. It's really, I take this as my privilege that I'm inaugurating. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. This is indeed an honor which is given by Ashoka College to me to be here on this morning when the inauguration of a 7 days workshop for NetSet is being done. I'm really, I feel very honored and happy when I address the students. So I hope those students who are going to attend this workshop, they will value these words which I'm going to tell them. And very good resource persons are there who will be telling them things about how they can clear NetSet exam over a period of 7 days. But today we can start with a small thing. NEP, it is really heartening to know that from Ashoka College, many students in good numbers, they are qualifying competitive exams. In fact, aim of any education is to get a good career ahead. So the college is paving the way towards a good career for the students. That is really a very good effort. And this workshop is this kind of workshop for competitive exams that is being regularly organized. That is also a very good effort on the part of the organizers. I congratulate organizers for uh, organizing this workshop and calling such wonderful resource persons to address the students. It is NEP has already started National Education Policy 2020, and National Education Policy 2020 SNDT Women's University has already implemented for PG programs, and UG programs also it will be introduced from the academic year 24-25. So 23-24 we have already implemented for PG students. These under this policy, there are a number of good things, good opportunities for the students as well as teachers. Teachers can very well tackle the problems which the students face in their students' life as well as in their career ahead. So there is skill enhancement training provision, there is ability enhancement training provision. So all these new things which have come, I guess about Indian knowledge system, students come to know. Co-curricular and extracurricular has been given credits, which students have been doing without any credit so far. So now this credit-based education system has been made very flexible and very interesting for the students. Students should take maximum advantage of this NEP 2020 advantages which are being offered them under this beautiful policy. So here I would like to also tell you that today it's World Slavery Day. I was just going through every day. It is my habit to see what is special today. So today it's World Slavery Day, and India is still not in a very good position. We are still at uh, very high rank. We are on very high rank, 6 or 7 from top, where slavery is still existing. This is a human rights problem, and today under NEP, students are required to study human rights also. Students are required to study all this, whatever is happening in the world. And these kinds of workshop, they take them away from their regular curriculum learning to the world, to the real world situations where they understand all these things. India is passing through the stage of demographic dividend, which is one of the very advantageous position. Demographic dividend is the situation where the large number of young population is there. If the whole population is divided into dependents and working dependents, those who are below 40 and above 60 and 65, and working population in between, then we are having a large number of people in the working population, and that is one of the advantageous situation for which will remain there in India for a long time, for at least up to 2045. And we can take advantage of this only if this manpower which is available, is this human resource which is available in the form of young resource, is trained and skilled properly, educated properly. If they are in a situation to take to add value to the situation, if they are in a position to uh, improve themselves, to improve the whole situation, to improve the country's uh, GDP, if they are able to add some value to the existing situation, then only we will be able to take advantage of this demographic dividend. And NEP has given a number of good things in this regard. For example, for every student who is taking admission in undergrad, NEP is implemented from school, from early childhood education to PG, PhD and all that. But at higher level, if we talk, higher education level, if we talk, then as soon as the students take admission at undergraduate level, they will be exposed to skill enhancement training, ability enhancement training, different flexibility in their curricular minor and major courses, large number of small courses, Indian knowledge system, traditional Indian knowledge system, all this they will be exposed to. So this is going to enhance their ability to learn, their ability to use their capabilities for the betterment of the nation. So this is something which is for which we have a lot of expectations from our students, from the young course which is available to the nation, which is available in India now up to 2045. So this is one thing which I wanted to tell, and I also want to tell you one small story which I have told at 2-3 places, but here again, because students are there, so resource persons are there, I want to tell them this small story. This is about a farmer. This story is about a farmer. और ये farmer जो था, all the students, I want them to pay attention to this. Actually, this story was on the WhatsApp and given by the former Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Manohar Parrikar ji, who is no more now. And this was there on the WhatsApp. And when I read that story, it inspired me a lot. And all the students here who are aspiring to be teachers, for them it will be very useful. इसमें ये होता है कि मनोहर पर्रिकर जी ने लिखा था कि उनके गांव में तरबूज बहुत अच्छे होते थे गोवा में. And he was doing his graduation from IIT Mumbai. तो 3-4 साल 5 साल बीच में कई साल गैप हुआ, वो गांव नहीं जा पाए. जब वो गांव गए तो उन्होंने देखा कि जब वो छोटे थे, 4-6 साल पहले, 10 साल पहले जब वो पहले गांव गए थे, तो उनके यहाँ के जो तरबूज होते थे वो बहुत फेमस थे वो एरिया में. बहुत बड़े बड़े और मीठे और गुड क्वालिटी के वाटरमेलन्स होते थे उनके यहाँ. उनको लगा कि अभी उतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी नहीं रह गई है, तो उनको लगा कि ये पता करना चाहिए कि इसकी समस्या क्या है. तो अब ऐसे होते हैं लोग जिनको ये चीजें तकलीफ पहुंचाती हैं, वो उसका समाधान ढूंढते हैं. तो मनोहर पर्रिकर जी ने ऐसा किया कि वो एक किसान के घर गए जिसको वो जानते थे, और जब वो छोटे बच्चे थे तो वो किसान हर साल फसल के टाइम पे तरबूज की पार्टी रखते थे बच्चों के लिए. तो और उसमें वो बच्चों को जो बेस्ट तरबूज होते थे वो खिलाते थे किसान जो थे पहले, और जो सीड्स होते थे वो कलेक्ट करने के लिए वो हर बच्चे के सामने एक कटोरी रखते थे और सारे सीड्स उसमें कलेक्ट होते थे. उसके बाद ये जब उस किसान के घर पहुंचे तो पता चला कि वो किसान तो नहीं रहे, पर उनका बेटा है. तो उनका बेटा, उन्होंने पर्रिकर जी ने अपनी भावना व्यक्त की और पूछा कि अभी ये फसल में मैं उतना क्वालिटी नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ. फिर थोड़ी ऐसे आम बातचीत की और फिर उन्होंने ऑब्जर्व किया, और बातचीत में से ऐसा सामने आया कि ये जो किसान का बेटा है ये भी हर साल तरबूज की पार्टी करता है बच्चों के लिए. लेकिन फर्क इतना है कि ये थोड़ा सा मार्केट ओरिएंटेड किसान का बेटा हो गया है. तो जो बेस्ट क्वालिटी तरबूज होते हैं वो मार्केट में बेच देता था, बिकॉज दे वर फेचिंग द गुड प्राइस फॉर हिम। और जो थोड़े बचे हुए तरबूज होते थे, थोड़े लोअर क्वालिटी के, वो बच्चों को पार्टी में खाने को देता था, उसके सीड्स कलेक्ट कराता था, वो सब वही करता था। सीड्स कलेक्ट करके ये क्या करते थे कि ये वही सीड्स अगले क्रॉप में यूज करते थे, जो बच्चों से कलेक्ट करते थे। तो जो ये किसान, जो पिता किसान था, वो बेस्ट क्वालिटी के तरबूज बच्चों को देता था खाने को, और उसके सीड्स यूज करता था अगली फसल के लिए, तो फसल बहुत अच्छी होती थी। और ये जो बेटा था, वो बचे हुए तरबूज बच्चों को खाने को देता था जो बिकते नहीं थे, और उसके बीज से जो फसल आती थी, तो वो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम उसकी क्वालिटी डिटेरियोरेट होती गई। जैसे अभी हम जो पुराने टीचर्स से मिलते हैं, जो अपने गुरुजनों से, अभी मैं भी पुरानी हो गई हूँ लेकिन सिस्टम में हूँ, और जो पुराने टीचर्स वगैरह मिलते हैं, एक जनरल डिस्कशन ये हो जाता है कि क्वालिटी शिक्षा का स्तर जो है वो गिरता जा रहा है, उस पे सबकी चिंता रहती है। अब जो NEP 2020 है, उसमें इस बात का संज्ञान लिया गया है, और शिक्षा का स्तर कैसे बढ़े इसके लिए टीचर्स एजुकेशन पे बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान दिया गया है। ये कहानी उसी से संबंधित मुझे लगी। मुझे लगा कि हम बच्चों में बेस्ट सीड्स डालें, हमारे वो बच्चे टीचर होके बाहर निकले जो बेस्ट हैं, तो वो आगे की जनरेशन को अच्छा ज्ञान दे सकें। जो टीचर, ऐसा भी होता है कि एस्पिरेशंस हैं, बाई चॉइस कितने लोग टीचिंग में आ रहे हैं, और कितने लोग क्योंकि कुछ नहीं मिला इसलिए टीचिंग में आ गए हैं, उसमें बहुत फर्क पड़ जाता है। आप अपना बेस्ट टीचिंग को नहीं देते हो जब आपकी वो फर्स्ट चॉइस नहीं होती है। मैं यहाँ पे सारे इंस्पायरिंग टीचर्स को ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि टीचिंग जो है वो कहा जाता था और अभी भी है नोबल प्रोफेशन। वो ये कहानी से थोड़ा सा अगर आपको समझ में आया हो, तो आप कितना महान काम कर रहे होंगे जब आप अगली जनरेशन को उसका अपना बेस्ट दे के उसके बेस्ट देने के लिए आगे बढ़ा रहे होंगे। तो टीचर्स का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण रोल है समाज में, और पूरे विश्व में, इनफैक्ट कहना चाहिए कि सारी ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए जो टीचर का रोल है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। और अभी हमने देखा, जो हमारे 41 मजदूर फंसे हुए थे, उनको मोटिवेट करने के लिए ऑस्ट्रेलिया के एक प्रोफेसर थे जिन्होंने अपना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया। उनसे बात करते थे, उनको मोटिवेट करते थे, और उनको बताते रहते थे कि कैसे वो बचे रहें सुरंग के अंदर, जो अपनी 41 मजदूर उत्तराखंड में फंस गए थे। तो ये सारी चीजें मुझे आपसे शेयर करनी थी, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको पसंद आएंगी, और आप, ये बहुत कॉमन कहानी है और ये बहुत कॉमन चीजें हम बात कर रहे हैं आपस में। लेकिन कई बार कैसा होता है कि कोई चीज दिल में अंदर तक पहुंचती है और वो आपका जीवन बदल देती है। इस तरह के टीचर्स होने चाहिए जो मोटिवेट कर सकें स्टूडेंट्स को, जो पूरी पीढ़ी को आगे ले जा सकें। आप टीचिंग प्रोफेशन बाय चॉइस लीजिए, अडॉप्ट करिए। I am sure you must be doing that because you are preparing for NET/SET exam. It means you are aspiring teachers. So, with this, I want to congratulate again to the organizing team of Ashoka College for organizing such a wonderful, for regularly organizing this kind of workshops for the students. And the Sonar madam introduced me, but before that I forgot the name. Who introduced the program to us?
वाक सर, वाक सर।
वाग सर ने बहुत अच्छी बात कही, कि हमारे उन्होंने जो इंफॉर्मेशन दी वो बहुत अच्छी थी कि अशोका कॉलेज के इतने इतने स्टूडेंट्स हमारे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में बाहर निकले हैं। वो डेटा मैडम आपके एनुअल रिपोर्ट में जरूर होता होगा, और वो हमारे साथ भी शेयर करिएगा,
Yes,
सॉफ्ट
ma'am.
कॉपी या जो भी हो आपके पास। तो इन सब के साथ मुझे सारे रिसोर्स पर्सन्स को भी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना है कि वो इन स्टूडेंट्स को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए अपना, और शशिकांत शिंदे सर जो 10 बार वो तो बिल्कुल मतलब समझ लीजिए उनका कितना बड़ा कितना अध्ययन है। उन्होंने 10 बार नेट सेट क्वालिफाई किया हुआ है, तो बच्चों के लिए तो वो एक इंस्पायरिंग फिगर होंगे। और जो ये सोच रहे होंगे कि हमारे लिए नेट सेट नहीं है, हमसे नहीं होगा, वो देखें शिंदे सर, और शिंदे सर जरूर अपना बेस्ट देंगे स्टूडेंट्स को। और सारे स्टूडेंट्स आपके जो आपने ये वर्कशॉप रखा है इससे लाभान्वित होंगे। मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं अशोका कॉलेज को और सारे स्टूडेंट्स को कि आप बहुत अच्छे करियर में आप आगे बढ़ें, और आप नेट सेट क्वालिफाई ना करें, आप और भी आगे बढ़ें, आप बहुत से अवार्ड जीतें और बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स आपके अंडर में मार्गदर्शन लेके आगे बढ़ें। Thank you so much for inviting me to this very important and very good occasion. Thank you so much, Sarita Madam, for remembering me.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
with
Thank
this,
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for the inspiring word, ma'am. We are blessed today.
thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Very inspiring story.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam, for your valuable guidance. It has surely motivated each one of us.
Moving ahead, I would request Christina to propose the vote of thanks.
Gratitude is a powerful catalyst for happiness. On behalf of AICSR, I, Christina Peddy, would like to thank our Honorable Chairman of Ashoka Education Foundation, Shri Ashok Ji Kataria Sir, for laying the foundation of this glorious institution. I would like to extend sincere gratitude to our today's chief guest, Honorable Professor Dr. Ruby Oja Madam, Pro Vice Chancellor of SNDT Women's University Mumbai, for such a wonderful and informative session. I would like to thank our Honorable Secretary of AEF, Shri Shrikant Ji Shukla Sir, for his constant support and motivation to achieve excellence. I would like to thank Dr. Sarita Verma Madam, Principal of AICSR, for taking lead in organizing this unique workshop. I would like to thank the convener of the national level workshop, Professor Ganesh Wab sir, for taking efforts in organizing this mega workshop. I'm grateful to the IQAC coordinator, Dr. Preeti Sonar Madam, for the constant support. I would like to thank all teaching, non-teaching and technical staff of AICSR. Once again, I thank all the participants for their valuable time. Thank you everyone. Here I declare the inaugural program to be over. I request all participants to be here online as we are going to start with our first session soon. Please do not leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Oja ma'am, once again.
Thank you,
madam.
Thank you for joining and inspiring our students.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you,
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Shinde sir is there with us?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Shinde sir.
Thank you, madam.
Yes, we can proceed. Wab sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, Samriti, ma'am.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Now, we are about to start with the first session of the 7-day national workshop. I now request Professor Samruddhi Chepe Madam to please introduce us with our today's resource person, respected Mr. Shashikant Shinde sir.
Thank you, Christine. A very good afternoon to one and all. It is indeed an honor for us to introduce a great personality like Shri Shashikant Shinde sir. Sir has done his MA in English, MEd and DSM, and presently Sir is pursuing PhD from Solapur University. Sir has not only qualified TET and CTET exams, but
Sir has also qualified 10 net set exams in 5 different subjects. The subjects being education, English, adult education, and political science. Sir is having a mission to train maximum students for qualifying net set exams. And with this passion, he is working effortlessly from last 7 years. I am really glad to share that Sir has also qualified the MPSC exam and
Wow.
is now posted as government approved lecturer at DIET, that is District Institute of Education and Training. Currently, Sir is posted at Solapur. So thank you very much, sir, for being with us today in this workshop. And our students, I'm very sure that our students will be greatly benefited from your sea of knowledge. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam, for introducing us to the resource person of the day. Moving further, I request Shinde sir to please start with the session.
Thank you very much for the kind introduction about me. And the anchoring is going on very well.
Thank you, sir.
Just now, I heard a new story by Ruby Jha ma'am, Pro Vice Chancellor, and it was very interesting story, which is related to field of education. That also inspired me to inculcate the good seeds in the soil. Ashoka International Center for Educational Studies and Research, Nashik. This college has arranged national level workshop on NetSet exam. The principal of the college or the center, Dr. Sarita Verma madam, IQAC coordinator, Dr. Preeti Sonar madam, convener Mr. Ganesh Wag sir, then all the technical support team. First of all, I am thankful to you that you have given me the opportunity for telling student how to qualify the NetSet exam. I think in the previous workshop also I have delivered one lecture. So I will bit speak some English also, some Marathi also. I don't know the students are comfortable in which language, but I will use both the languages as comfortable.
Yes, sir, no problem.
Okay, when I sent my biodata resume to Ganesh Wag sir, I missed to add one NetSet exam that I have qualified previous June 2023 NET exam because I wanted to check the difficulty of nowadays NET exams. So this is not 10. I have qualified 11 NetSet exams in 4 subject. So this is the new exam which I qualified June 2023. Why I am giving these exams? Because if I am guiding to NetSet students, then I should know the exam pattern. I should know the question sets. I should know the difficulty of the questions. So because of that, I am giving these NET exams, but I'm unable to give set exam because the rule for set exam is that if you qualify one exam in one subject, then you are no any permission to appear for next set exams. So that is why there is some restrictions for set exam. But in NET exam there is no restriction. You can give many times for taking only one subject. So in education you can see I qualified these exams. Now I have to do one more master degree for giving set exam. So that will I do. The whole lecture will be how to qualify the NetSet exam and how to get more marks in paper one. So as you know that the paper 1 is very important for qualifying the NET-CET exam, and I have qualified 11 NET-CET exam on the basis of scoring more marks in paper 1. So I have scored 90 marks in paper 1. That exam was in December 2016 Karnataka SET exam. In Maharashtra SET exam, I have scored 88 marks two times. 88 marks in paper 1 two times, May 2016 and September 2015. So because of these marks, I have qualified all these exams. So this is the key point. This is the technique for qualifying NET-CET exam. If you get more marks in paper 1, there is no need of worry. You can qualify the exam easily. But the problem is that how to get like 90 marks in paper 1. So we will speak about this. This is my NET-CET book, which was published in 2017, but there is no second edition. But I'm trying to publish the second edition till December end or January first week. So this will be helpful for April set exam. Can use old book also, old Xerox book also. They can use it. Now I needed student this question. The question is that you are appearing for NET-CET exam. So my question is that why you are giving NET-CET exams? Your first answer will be, for example, we can say this is A option. You are giving exam for to develop knowledge. This is B option. You are giving exam for qualify the exam. And C option will be both. So you have to reply in chat box. What is your option? Why you are giving NET-CET exams? So A option will be for to develop knowledge. B option for qualify the exam, and C option for both. Both means you are giving these exams for developing knowledge also and qualifying the exam also. What is your options? You can say in chat box, message. I think there is no any restriction for uh, message in chat box. ओके. थोडंसं आपण अनम्यूट करूयात नाही तर सर्वांना, म्हणजे काय बोलतात बघूयात आपण. ओके, बोथ. खूप सारे असे उत्तर येतात, बोथ असे उत्तर येतात सर्वांचे, मॅक्झिमम लोकांचे. ओके, आता थोडंसं तुम्ही बोलू शकता एखाद्या अर्ध्या मिनिटासाठी. मी सर्वांना तुम्हाला अनम्यूट केलेलं आहे. रिस्पॉन्स तुम्ही देऊ शकता. माईक चालू करून रिस्पॉन्स करा. मी परत तुम्हाला अनम्यूट करेन. येस, यू कॅन स्पीक नाव. अनम्यूट होता येते का? येस, बोला. माझा प्रश्न सिंपल आहे की तुम्ही ज्ञान वाढवण्यासाठी परीक्षा देताय का क्वालिफाय होण्यासाठी देताय का बोथ दोन्हीसाठी देताय? आणि हे खूप महत्वाचं मॅटर करताय की आपण कुठल्या अँगल याला बघतोय. माईक अनम्यूट होतोय का?
So we are giving the rights. Just a minute. Sir.
नाही, मी केलंय सर्वांना, ऑल पार्टिसिपंट टू अनम्यूट देमसेल्व्ह यस म्हणलंय. निशा पी केदार मॅडम.
Yes, sir, to develop knowledge and to qualify both the exams.
ओके. व्हॉट अबाउट अदर्स? माईक चालू करा आणि थोडं बोला तुम्ही, म्हणजे मला अंदाज येईल.
Sir, for PhD purpose, research.
नो नो, आय एम नॉट आस्किंग अबाउट दिस, ओनली दिस.
सर, हॅलो.
नॉलेज डेव्हलप करून सेट नेट परीक्षा पास होणं असं म्हणताय?
नॉलेज, हा सर, नॉलेज डेव्हलप झालं तरच सेट नेट क्वालिफाईड होईल ना सर.
ओके ओके, ठीक आहे. हा, अजून काय रिस्पॉन्सेस आहेत? अजून एक
सर
दोन रिस्पॉन्स घेऊ, आपण पुढे जाऊया.
पीएचडी नाही ना सर. पीएचडी एक वेगळा कोर्स आणि सेटनेट एक वेगळा, एक सेटनेट
नो 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 नो
क्वालिफाईड
नो.
एक्झाम आहे
मी फक्त
आणि
मी
पीएचडी
फक्त
हे different आहे.
मी फक्त एवढंच प्रश्न विचारला की नेटसेट परीक्षा तुम्ही कशासाठी देताय? नेटसेट
फॉर
परीक्षा
नॉलेज,
नॉलेज डेव्हलप
फॉर
करण्यासाठी,
फॉर
क्वालिफाय
नॉलेज
एक्झामसाठी?
पर्पज सर, नॉलेज पर्पज.
ठीक आहे. ओके, ठीक आहे. आणखीन कोणी एखादा रिस्पॉन्स द्या, मी पुढे जातो मग.
येस सर.
Yes, sir, to develop knowledge.
ठीक आहे. ओके.
सर एकदा
चला, आपण आता
बीएड एमएड काय
बीएड
करायचंय?
एमएड
सो विल गो विथ द नेट सेट एक्झाम.
बीएड एमएड नंतर हो नेटसेटला जा ना. एक मिनिट हा, आपण थोडंसं क्लिअर करू. पीएचडी कडे नंतर येऊ तुम्ही. बघा, टू
हा सर.
डेव्हलप नॉलेज जे सांगतात ते लोक ही परीक्षा पास होणार नाहीत. काय
का
म्हणतो
सर?
बघा, मी सांगतो. ए ऑप्शन ज्यांनी सांगितलंय ते विद्यार्थी नेटसेट परीक्षा पास होणार नाहीत. ओके. आता बी ऑप्शन ज्यांच्या डोक्यात आला असेल, ज्यांनी बोललं नाही, पण त्यांना असं वाटतं की क्वालिफाय द एक्झाम, दिस इज माय एम, ही लोक खूप लवकर परीक्षा पास होतील. ओके, खूप लवकर म्हणजे येणारी पुढची परीक्षा असेल एप्रिल मधली वगैरे. आणि बोथ असं ज्यांचं ऑप्शन आहे, मला वाटतं मॅक्झिमम लोकांचं बोथ ऑप्शन आहे, तर त्यांना वेळ लागेल 1 or 2 इयर्स. यांना 1 ते 2 वर्ष वेळ लागेल परीक्षा पास व्हायला, कारण हे बोथ करत आहेत. ओके. आता थोडंसं आपण एम समजून घेऊ की आपलं एम कसं पाहिजे. की ज्यावेळेस आपण टू डेव्हलप नॉलेज असं म्हणतो एखाद्या परीक्षेसाठी, तर नॉलेज डेव्हलप करण्याच्या पाठीमागे लागताना आपण एक्झाम पॅटर्न काय, कसे क्वेश्चन येतात, काय वाचायला पाहिजे, नेमकं काय अभ्यास करायला पाहिजे, किमान कसं करायला पाहिजे, कसे मार्क वाढवायला पाहिजे, या गोष्टी आपण बघत नाही. आपण खूप साऱ्या अनवॉन्टेड गोष्टी वाचायला चालू करतो की ज्या इरिलेव्हंट असतात, आणि आपण त्याच्यामध्ये मास्टर व्हायला चालू करतो. आणि याचा दुष्परिणाम असा होतो की आपण परीक्षाच पास होत नाही. त्यामुळं आपलं टार्गेट हे क्वालिफाय द एक्झाम असायला पाहिजे, कारण एक्झाम क्वालिफाय होण्यासाठी काय लागतं तितकं माझ्याकडे आहे, तितकं असेल तर मी एक्झाम क्वालिफाय होऊ शकतो. ओके. आता एक्झाम क्वालिफाय करणं आणि डेव्हलप नॉलेज करण्यामध्ये तुम्हाला आणखीन एक फरक सांगतो बघा मी, म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजेल. अं, माझा एक मित्र आहे, इंग्लिश लिटरेचरमध्ये तो नेटसेट करतोय. तर त्याला ड्रामा, पोएट्री, नॉव्हेलची खूप आवड आहे. आणि मग तो इतका इंटरेस्टने एखादा ड्रामा वाचतो की फॉर एक्झाम्पल शेक्सपियरचे एकूण 36 ड्रामाज आहेत. ओके. तर तो इतक्या इंटरेस्टिंगने हे वाचतोय संपूर्ण ड्रामाज वगैरे. खूप वेळ त्याच्यामध्ये वाया घालवतो. कारण तो नॉलेज डेव्हलप करत आहे. तो कधीच आतापर्यंत नेटसेट परीक्षा पास झाला नाही. ओके. आता मी परीक्षा पास झालो. माझं टार्गेट होतं क्वालिफाय द एक्झाम. तर मला माहित होतं त्याच्यातले 4 ते 5 ड्रामा मला महत्वाचे आहेत. आणि त्याच्यातलं फक्त मला कॅरेक्टर्स, थीम, त्यानंतरनं सेटिंग, प्लेस, अशा 4-5 गोष्टी मला महत्वाच्या आहेत. तेवढ्या फक्त गोष्टी वाचल्या मी 4 तासामध्ये. तर माझं शेक्सपियर वाचून झालं. हा अजून शेक्सपियर वाचतोयच अजून. मग फरक असा आहे, की आपण एखाद्या गोष्टीचं नॉलेज डेव्हलप करण्याच्या पाठीमागे लागतोय, त्यावेळेस आपण त्याच्यावर मास्टरी आणि किंवा पीएचडी केल्यासारखा अभ्यास करायला चालू करतो. दॅट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन नेटसेट एक्झाम. नेटसेट एक्झामला आपण खूप फोकस्ड पाहिजे. परीक्षेमध्ये परीक्षेची डिमांड काय? आपण काय अभ्यास करायला पाहिजे? इतकं तुम्ही फोकस असाल, तर तुम्ही ही इझिली क्वालिफाय एक्झाम करू शकताय. सो तुमचं टार्गेट फक्त हे असायला पाहिजे, क्वालिफाय द एक्झाम. आता आणखीन एकाने कोणी स्पेसिफिक विचारलं, का सर म्हणून? ठीक आहे बघा. मी तुम्हाला सिंपल उत्तर देतो माझ्या याचं. आय हॅव क्वालिफाईड नेट इन पॉलिटिकल सायन्स. ओके. I qualified NET in political science. So I got admission in June 18 for MA in political science in IGNO. ओके. इग्नो मध्ये मी ऍडमिशन घेतलं पॉलिटिकल सायन्सला जून 18 ला. आणि डिसेंबर 18 ची मी नेट परीक्षा पास झालो. डिसेंबर 18 ची नेट परीक्षा पॉलिटिकल सायन्स मध्ये पास झालो मी. मग तुम्ही म्हणाल हे कसं काय शक्य आहे? मी तर जून 18 ला ऍडमिशन घेतलंय आणि लगेच मी फॉर्म भरला नेटचा, कारण असं भरता येत नाही फॉर्म. तरी पण म्हणलं भरू दे, मी आपण बघूयात तरी. डिसेंबर 18 ला फॉर्म भरला फर्स्ट इयरला असतानाच आणि परीक्षेत पास झालो. मला कुठलंही नॉलेज नाही पॉलिटिकल सायन्सचं, कुठलंही विशेष नॉलेज नाही पॉलिटिकल सायन्सचं. मग मी काय केलं, पेपर वनला जास्त मार्क घेतले आणि पॉलिटिकल सायन्स मध्ये जितकं बेसिक जेवढं मला आवश्यक आहे तेवढंच मी अभ्यास केला आणि परीक्षा पास झालो. मग माझ्यासोबत काही असे विद्यार्थी होते की जे गेल्या 4-4, 5-5 वर्षापासून परीक्षा देतात पॉलिटिकल सायन्समध्ये, तरी सुद्धा ते पास होत नाहीत. कारण ते नॉलेज डेव्हलप करण्याच्या पाठीमागे लागलेले आहेत, पण मला एक्झाम क्वालिफाय करायची आहे. समजतोय का फरक? एक्झाम क्वालिफाय करणारे खूप स्पेसिफिक, खूप कमी आणि खूप टार्गेट ओरिएंटेड अभ्यास करतात आणि म्हणून त्यांना यश मिळतं. त्यामुळे हे एम खूप क्लिअर पाहिजे आपल्याला, की मला आता बघा, मला पॉलिटिकल सायन्स तुम्ही विचाराल एखादी थिअरी मला सांगता येणार नाही, पण मी नेट क्वालिफाय पॉलिटिकल सायन्समध्ये. ओके. त्यामुळे तुमच्याकडे किती नॉलेज आहे हे कोण बघणार नाही. तुम्ही नेट सेट क्वालिफाय का याला महत्व आहे. ओके. माझ्याकडे किती नॉलेज आहे याला महत्व नंतर असेल. पण एक्झाम क्वालिफाय होईपर्यंत कशाला महत्व आहे, ती एक्झाम तुम्ही पास आहात का नाही. ओके. मग एकदा आपण एक्झाम क्वालिफाय झालो, की मग तुम्ही पाहिजे तेवढं नॉलेज डेव्हलप करा. पाहिजे एकदा मी इंग्लिशमध्ये नेट सेट पास झालो, तर मी खूप शांत डोक्यानं शेक्सपियरचे संपूर्ण 36 ड्रामा वाचत बसेन. निवांत मला वेळ आहे. वर्ड्सवरच्या सर्व पोएट्री वाचत बसेन मी. मला खूप वेळ आहे. ओके. वेळच वेळ माझ्याकडे आहे. ओके. कॅन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. बघा. If I qualify the net set exam, after then I can develop my knowledge. So that is the point which I'm talking. First, to target qualify the exam. Qualify the exam in any way by making shortcut to study, by studying previous question papers and all this. So that should be your aim. And one more student asked that what about PhD or net set if they add now I will mute to all student. PhD or net set. You have completed B.Ed M.Ed course. After then, what to do? I will suggest that you should do first net set. After then, PhD. Many students after post graduation go for PhD and they are not qualifying net set exams because in doing PhD they are busy in PhD work and they can't study for net set, and that is why they are losing their years, and they are losing the job opportunity. Okay. So what I will suggest, after your post graduation, you should appear for NetSet, qualify the NetSet exam. After then, you have to do PhD. Okay. So that is my suggestion based on previous 10-year experience. Because many of my friends doing PhD, but they are not qualifying NetSet exams. Why? Because every June or December they have to submit their 6-month proposal, 6-month progress report, and many works are there. At the time of NetSet exam dates, the PhD guide tells some work and they can't study. Okay. So this is after then this is also important. You have to decide only one exam, not both exams. If you want to give NET exam, then concentrate only NET exam, only SET exam like this. Why you have to concentrate only one exam? Because the question patterns are different. Syllabus is same. NET set syllabus is same. I'm telling about UGC NET and this Maharashtra set. Syllabus is same. This statement is not applicable to pure sciences like chemistry, lab science, physics, maths. They have CSR NET. CSR NET is different. UGC NET is different. Okay. So UGC NET, which is for arts and commerce student, and Maharashtra set. Okay. Questions are different. Syllabus is same, but questions are different. These set questions are easy, we can say. These NET questions are difficult. So you have to focus only one exam, NET or SET. If you are appearing for NET exam, then you have to study difficulty level, study difficult questions. If you are appearing for SET exam, then the questions are easy. You have to by heart fact and figure for SET exam. By heart means don't part karne. Fact and figure for SET exam. But in NET exam, not like this. You have to understand the concept. The concepts are uh, application level concepts. So this is difficult. So the study strategy is different for both the exams. So that is why you have to select only one exam for you have to decide only one exam. I have to appear set only, I have to appear net only. So this is very important. Qualifying criteria, you all know, I think, but I will tell in shortcut. First paper, for paper first is 200 mark, paper 1 is 100 mark, paper 2 is 200 mark. This is paper 1 and this is paper 2. So this is 300 marks paper for setnet, and you have to score maximum in this. Okay. Who will qualify? Top 6% student will qualify. For example, if you take subject of education, in education, for example, 1000 student have given the exam, set exam, if you say set exam, 1000 student appeared and uh, for set exam. So in this 1000 student, 60 student will qualify set exam because top 6% in the list will be qualified. So what is minimum marks? In 300, open category students should take 120 and other all category 105. 105 marks. This is minimum marks. If you get 120 marks, then you can't tell that you are qualified. Why? Because 120 and 105 is minimum requirement. After that, top 6% will be qualified. After this, top 6%. Okay. So this is qualifying criteria, and there is no any requirement of minimum marks in paper one. Before, I think June 2018, before, there is minimum marks for paper one. You have to get 40 marks in out of 100 for open category, 35 marks out of 100 for other all category. So this is from, I think, June 2018. There is no requirement for minimum marks in paper one. If you get 10 marks in paper one, possibility. Paper one, 10 marks. And paper two, if you get 160 marks, you will get 170 marks. If the cutoff is 170, then you are qualified. There is no minimum requirement for paper one. The other option, if you get paper one, like my marks, 90 marks in paper one, and paper two, suppose paper two you have got 50 marks out of 200. Total is 140. If the cutoff is 140, you are qualified. There is no minimum marks for paper one, paper two. You can get any marks, but the total should be matched to cutoff marks. ओके, कट ऑफ जितका आहे तितके मार्क तुम्हाला टोटल दोन्ही मिळून त्यासाठी खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. यू कॅन आस्क युअर क्वेश्चन इन चॅट बॉक्स ऑल्सो इफ एनी. ओके, दिस इज क्वालिफाइंग क्रायटेरिया गेट फॉर स्टडी. बघा, आपण काही कट ऑफ बघूयात. कट ऑफ आपण कसं, वी कॅन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ एलिजिबिलिटी क्रायटेरिया. You will get this PDF, this PPT. Okay, I will send to Ganesh Wag sir, and he will share with you. You can take screenshot also, no problem. Set March 2023, the cutoff marks out of 300. Out of 300. केमिस्ट्रीसाठी किती कटअप होता? 152 कटअप होता. लाइफ सायन्स 164, फिजिक्स 156, मॅथ्स 166, इंग्लिश 168, कॉमर्स 172, मराठी 142, लायब्ररी सायन्स 172. तुम्ही आपल्या सेटच्या वेबसाईटवर जाऊन हे बघू शकता की आपल्या विषयाचा आता इतका कटअप असेल तर तुम्ही काय करायचं, याच्यामध्ये +10 मार्क करा. +10 मार्क. आता इथं 162 होतील. हे मग तुम्ही तुमचं टार्गेट ठेवा. यू हॅव टू ऍड 10 मार्क्स इन दिस अँड मेक युअर कट ऑफ फॉर स्टडिंग द एक्झाम्स. ओके, म्हणजे बघा मी काय सांगतोय, यू हॅव टू ऍड 10 मार्क्स इन दिस. वाय? बिकॉज यू कॅन सी हिअर commerce here 158 and here it 166. Now here 172. The cutoff is increasing, so you have to add 10 marks in this and do this target. What target? If this is 152, your target should be 162. Suppose the subject is English, 168, your target should be 178. So like this, make target. In this target, make separate target for paper one, paper two. Suppose chemistry, you have to make target separately. You have to make target separately. So how many marks you will get in paper one and paper two? So divide this 162 in paper one, paper two. Suppose you have good study, you have decided 72 in paper one. So after then, here the marks will be 90 marks in paper two. So like this, decide your target paper one and paper two, and then you can study. So this target will qualify to you. Okay. Okay, paper pattern. Okay, I will tell you paper pattern also. Now some important tips for a NetSet appearing student, which is very important. If you apply all these techniques, all these rules, tips, then you will qualify the exam also, and you can guide to other student also. Okay. The first one is understand the syllabus. Take the syllabus from SET website, SET exam website. You will get the syllabus of paper one, paper two. Read the syllabus, understand the topic. Do study according to the syllabus. You can go on Google also. Google will tell you so much information. about the syllabus. Okay. So this is first priority. Many students don't know the syllabus. In paper one, what they think for paper one? They think that paper one is general paper. So there is no need to study anything in paper one. We have to go and appear the exam. So this is not like this. You have to study the syllabus. फर्स्ट पेपर मध्ये किती मार्क्स मिळवावे लागतील असं काही नाही. फर्स्ट पेपर मध्ये तुम्ही किती मार्क मिळवा. आता मी सांगितलं पेपर पेपर एक मध्ये तुम्हाला 10 मार्क मिळाले तरी तुम्ही परीक्षा पास होऊ शकता. पण पेपर 2 ला तुम्हाला समजा 160 मार्क मिळाले तर 170 ला तुम्हाला तुमचा कट ऑफ असेल तुम्ही परीक्षा पास होऊ शकता. देयर इज नो मिनिमम मार्क्स फॉर पेपर 1. कुठलाही मिनिमम मार्क नाही. पेपर सेकंडला सुद्धा कुठलेही मिनिमम मार्क नाहीत. ओके. नेमकी अट काय? आउट ऑफ 300 पेपर 1 and 2 आउट ऑफ 300 यू हॅव टू स्कोर टू द कट ऑफ. म्हणजे कट ऑफ समजा 162 असेल तर हे दोन्ही मिळून 162 व्हायला पाहिजे. दोन्ही मिळून म्हणतोय मी. ओके. फॉर टेकिंग बोथ द पेपर्स. Previous year question paper analysis. This analysis is very important. You have to do minimum 5 question paper analysis. Minimum 5. What I'm telling, this is must. You have to do minimum 5 question paper analysis. Okay. What is analysis? Analysis means in paper 1 there are 10 topics. Paper 1 have 10 topics. Okay. 10 topics. Each question paper has 50 questions. Okay. In this 50 questions, one topic has 5 questions. Okay. One topic has 5 questions. So if you are doing analysis of 5 question paper, then what you will get? For example, the topic number 1 is teaching aptitude. This is topic number 1, teaching aptitude. So by making analysis of 5 question paper, how many questions you will get? One question paper has 5 questions. Then 5 question paper will get 25 questions. So you have done analysis of teaching aptitude 25 questions. 25 questions in 5 question paper. So this is analysis. This is analysis. The second topic is research aptitude. Okay. In research aptitude also you have to do 5 question paper analysis. Take the questions. You will get 25 questions in 5 question paper. So after doing this analysis, you will understand that what questions are coming in the exam. What is the difficulty level of the questions? Is this easy, medium, or difficult? What to study for these topics? What should be the study level for these topics? All these questions will be answered after making analysis only. Okay. So this is must activity. What I'm telling, must. You know the meaning of must. Must means बंधनकारक, करायलाच पाहिजे. त्याशिवाय तुम्ही परीक्षा पास होऊ शकत नाही. This is must activity. You have to do minimum 5 question paper analysis. This is must activity. I will tell you why PYQ analysis is important. PYQ means previous year questions. PYQ means previous year questions. I'm telling you minimum 5 previous year question paper analysis. Okay. Why this is important? This is the reason. Now look here. The question is that dialogue method of discovering the truth was given by. Okay. Dialogue method of discovering the truth was given by. Do you know the answer of this question? A, B, C, D. Send in chat box if you know the answer. A, B, C, D. What is the answer of this? B. Very good. B is correct. Look here. Socrates is the correct answer. Okay. So this question asked in set June 2019. Okay. This question was asked in set June 2019. After that, this is next exam. Set December 2020 is next exam. Now look here, if you have done the previous question paper analysis, if you have seen the set June 2019 questions, this question, then you will get bonus 2 marks of this. Because in the next exam, what they have asked, Socrates has given dash dash method of discovering the truth. What is the answer in this ABCD? Yes, D answer is correct answer. Very good. The dialogue method is correct answer. You have got 2 marks bonus. Do you know the meaning of bonus? Bonus means free. Freely you have got 2 marks. Why free marks? Because you already know this question is already asked in set exam, and the question is repeated here. Dialogue method Socrates, Socrates dialogue method. Yes, they ask question with different sequence. Very good, correct. So because of this, you have to study. This is must activity for doing previous 5 question paper analysis. I will give plenty example of like this. The next is, this is next exam. Look here, set January 2018 and this is set December 2020. In between, there is one exam, which June 2019. Okay. So this is second exam. After 18, this is second exam. Okay. Now look the question paper. Which type of waste is classified as hazardous? Okay. The answer is chemical. Chemical type of waste is hazardous. Okay. And what about this? If this is hazardous, then this is not non-hazardous. Okay. Not hazardous. Household, commercial, agriculture is what we will say not hazardous. Okay. Now, in said December 2020, the question is one of the following waste is not under hazardous one. One of the following waste is not under hazardous one. Okay. What is the answer? The answer is agriculture. Because agriculture is not hazardous one. Chemical, paint, and electro planting waste, these all are hazardous. Okay. If you have done previous question paper analysis, you will get like marks like this. Okay. Understood? Now next, see the question. For recruitment as a school teacher in Maharashtra, one must enroll herself on the web portal. Which web portal? For recruitment in school teacher, Saral, Mahajobs, E-Seva, Pavitra. What is the right answer? D. Very good. D is the answer. Pavitra portal. On Pavitra portal, you should enroll yourself after giving TIT exam. Then you will get recruitment as a school teacher. Okay. Now see, here in this question, the Pavitra is answer. But what about others? The other option, for example, this is Saral, Mahajobs, E-Seva. Okay. If you are genius, then you will see the paper setter mind. What the paper setter mind? If the paper setter has given the option Saral, Mahajobs, E-Seva, then he will ask one more question in next exam about these points, these options. In that time, I told in the one webinar that the next question will be in these three options. And the same happened. What's the same happened? See the question. This is June 19, this is December 20. This is next exam. Okay, see here. Government of Maharashtra has made compulsory for schools to enter information of all the students on the web portal known as. And the answer is Saral. Why the Saral question came here? Because the paper setter has in the mind the Saral option, Mahajobs and E-Seva. And in the next exam, he made question on Saral. Okay, you got this. Then Why PYQ analysis is important? Because in the options also, the option will be next question. The serial is next question. Got it? So like this way, you have to study paper 1 and paper 2 also. Okay. Serial is option. Now, say December 2020. In this time also, I told in one webinar that the remaining options are Pavitra already done because Pavitra question already came here. Saral also already done. Now the remaining options are Sarthi and Shalarth. What I told, the paper setter has in the mind Sarthi and Shalarth. The next exam, he will ask question on Sarthi or Shalarth. Okay. The next exam. This is said December 2020 and the next exam is, look here. This is next exam. September 2021. This is next exam. The question came, Sarthi is the web portal of. Sarthi is a web portal of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Sarthi is related to competitism. That is one institution. Sarthi is one institution related to competitive exam. But this Sarthi is related to web portal. Sarthi web portal is related to Ministry of Road Transport and Highways because you will get your driving license, your number plate, your RC book by Sarthi web portal. Okay. Sarthi institution is different. Sarthi web portal is different. Okay. Sarthi institution about competitive exam and Sarthi web portal is about Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Your driving license application will be on Sarthi. Okay. Are you getting my point? Why PYQ analysis is important? Because the questions are coming in previous questions, previous options. If you study in very good manner, you will get all those questions. You will get 90 marks. Why I'm getting 90 marks? Because I'm master in PYQ analysis. I'm master, not master, master of master. You can relate it. That is why I'm getting 88 mark, 90 marks. Because I am checking the mind of paper setter. I'm thinking like paper setter. How the question will come. Next, look here. Said September 2021. Okay. Said September 2021. The question is recording of reflective notes in qualitative research is called as, the answer is memoing. Recording reflective notes in qualitative research is called memoing. See the next set exam. Next means Udil set exam. 2021, this is 2023. In 2022, there is no set exam. Okay, this is next set exam. Now see the question. Recording of dash dash in the qualitative research is called memoing. What is the answer? A, B, C, D. Which will be the answer? A is correct answer. Reflective notes. Reflective notes. Correct. Recording of reflective note is qualitative. Research is called memoing. The same question, sentence structure is different, but the same question, you will get free 2 marks, free bonus 2 marks. Why? Because the same question asked in next set exam, same question. There is no difference in the question also. Only the sentence structure is different. Okay. So this is why you have to do minimum 5 question paper analysis. Okay. I was here. What I'm telling? Previous year question paper analysis. How many question paper analysis you will do? Minimum 5. Okay. Both paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1, 5 question papers. And how many questions will be? 250 questions. Okay. Paper 2, 5 question papers and questions will be 500 questions. But this analysis should be based on topic wise. Paper 1, 10 topic, you have to do analysis topic wise, 10 topic. Paper 2, if your paper 2 is 10 topic also, then the all 500 question will be in 10 topic, whatever your topics are. Okay. So like this analysis is very important for qualifying the set. Where you will find question paper, please send link. You will find question paper on set exam website. Okay, set exam website. You will get question papers. Okay. The next is read authentic material. Many students are reading free material which is shared on WhatsApp. Though the free material is not, we can say, authentic material, because material means what? Authentic material means the material which is using by SETNET question paper expert team. The questions are coming on the material, so that is authentic material. For example, environment. Environment is a topic. Okay. If you are reading environment material, okay, then what is authentic material? Authentic means if you are reading 50 pages of environments, then if the questions are asking based on these 50 pages material, then this is authentic material. If there is no any question based on this material, then this is not an authentic material. Okay. The simple definition of authentic material is if questions are coming based on the material, then that is authentic. If questions are not coming, then there is no need of reading those materials because you are wasting your time. So this is authentic material. Okay. Revise minimum 5 times. Many net set aspirants don't know about revision. They don't know about revision. They are doing only study. Okay. Only study means only fail. The study should be added with revision. The study should be added with revision. Okay. And plus added with practice. If you combine these three words, then you will qualify in very less time. Which words? The first one is study, the second one is revision, third one is practice. You are studying means you are reading, understanding the concept, understanding the topic. Then you are doing revision of the same topic, concept, understanding of the topic. Then after you are solving questions and doing practice. If you combine all these 3 points together, then only you will qualify the net set exam. Because many students are reading only reading. There is no revision, there is no practice. Then this only study will goes to fail, not qualify the exam. Okay, you have to add these two words. Revision. How many time revision? Minimum 5 times. Whatever you have read, you have to do minimum 5 time revision. This is important. You can do 10 times also revision. You can do 15 times also revision. Whatever as per your time. And practice. What practice? Solving minimum 10 question paper, 10 practice question paper. This is also important. 10 practice question paper solving. So adding these three words will gives you the strategy of success. And this is applicable to all competitive exam. This is applicable to TET, CTET, NETSET, TIIT, then MPSC exam, UPSC exam, all exam. So this is three-word success formula. Okay. After then, first understand the question and then read options. So this is very good technique for solving multiple choice questions. I will give you one demo of this. Look the question. This is 20 marks increase formula. If you do this formula, the formula is first understand the question and then read option. This is the formula. Now look the question. What is not a non-verbal communication? Don't read these options. First understand the question, understand the meaning of the question, then only you have to come with these options. म्हणजे सुरुवातीला तुम्हाला प्रश्न पहिला चांगलं समजून घ्यायचा आहे आणि मगच तुम्हाला ऑप्शनकडे यायचं आहे, असं मी म्हणतोय. प्रश्न जोपर्यंत तुम्हाला समजत नाही तोपर्यंत तुम्ही ऑप्शनकडे अजिबात येऊ नका. ओके. प्रश्न जोपर्यंत समजत नाही तोपर्यंत ऑप्शनकडे यायचं नाही. What is asked in this question? What is not a non-verbal communication? Okay. If you understood this meaning of the question, then only you can understand the options. Okay. Look here. The simple meaning of the question is You can delete both this negative, not and non. The simple question is, what is a verbal communication? What is a verbal communication? Letter writing is verbal communication because letter writing has letters. Okay, letters means it is verbal. Okay, letter writing is verbal communication. Facial expression, non-verbal. Pace of speaking. Pace of speaking means speed of speaking. This is non-verbal. Silence is non-verbal. Okay. Only verbal is letter writing. Letter has words, sentences. That is why it is verbal. Okay. So what I told, समजत नाही तोपर्यंत ऑप्शन अजिबात वाचू नये. आपण काय करतो, आपण प्रश्न सहजपणे वाचतो. सहजपणे प्रश्न वाचला की लगेच आपण ऑप्शनकडे येतो. ऑप्शन वाचतो, परत आपला गोंधळ होतो, परत आपण प्रश्नाकडे येतो, परत ऑप्शनकडे येतो, परत प्रश्नाकडे येतो, परत ऑप्शनकडे येतो, आपला गोंधळ उडतो, आपले मार्क निघून जातात. ओके. व्हॉट यू डू, you simply read the question, you seriously read the option. This is not a way. You have to read seriously to the question. Read seriously question. After then, the option should be read very silently, very simple way. Okay. The question is important. Options are not important. Understanding the question is very important. So this is very important formula for increasing more marks. Study newly added subtopic. Okay. From June 2018, they have introduced new syllabus of paper 1. In this new syllabus, near about 40% topics are newly added. 40% topics are newly added. Okay. And 60% topics are old. 60% topics are old and 40% topics are newly added. Okay. So in NetSet exam, what the paper setter are doing, they are asking more questions on these newly added subtopics. They are asking more questions on these newly added subtopics. So you have to more focus on these newly added subtopic. Okay. The last is anyone can easily qualify NetSet exam by taking more marks in paper 1. So I told you will get more marks in paper 1, you will qualify the exam. If you get less mark, then it is difficult to qualify. Now in strategy or plan, the thing is that how to study for SET or NET exam. How to study. This answer will support to the question which I asked. Your aim should be qualify the exam, not to develop the exam, to develop knowledge of the exam. Okay, to qualify the exam. So how to study means, I have written one person here, William Shakespeare. Suppose there is one English student who is giving English NetSet exam, and he or she want to study William Shakespeare for NetSet exams. Okay. Then what he or she will do, if he or she is studying more text of William Shakespeare, many information searched on Google, many books on William Shakespeare, reading all dramas, reading all poetries of William Shakespeare. Okay, if he or she doing like this, then he or she will not qualify the exam. What I'm telling, म्हणजेच काय, एखादी व्यक्ती विल्यम शेक्सपियरचं संपूर्णपणे वाचत बसत असेल, ड्रामास, पोएट्री, सर्व इन्फॉर्मेशन, माहिती, पुस्तकं, खूप सारे असं वाचत बसते निवांतमध्ये, तर ती व्यक्ती क्वालिफाय होणार नाही. ओके. देन हाऊ टू स्टडी, द स्टडी इज, the simple answer is that if I want to study William Shakespeare, then I should understand what I'm telling here. And this is applicable to all subject, all topics. Huh? This is applicable to all subject and all topic. I should understand what questions are being asked on William Shakespeare. What I'm telling? First, I should understand what questions are being asked on William Shakespeare. I will understand all these questions. And only that much material, only that much topic I will read. This is the answer of how to study NetSet exam. Okay, got it? For example, in commerce, the topic is human resource management. Okay. In commerce, human resource management. If I know what questions are coming on human resource management in NetSet exam, only that much I have to study. There is no need of studying other materials of human resource management. Okay. For example, in education, the topic is learning theories. Okay. Learning theories. I know that what questions on learning theories, only that much I have to study. So this is the answer of all subjects, all topic, paper 1, paper 2, all. In paper 1 also, if I'm taking paper 1, for example, in paper 1, the topic is sustainable development goal. For example, millennium development goal and sustainable development goal. This is topic of paper 1, environment. Okay. First, I have to understand what is the question on MDG and SDG. Only that much level I have to study this topic. If I doing PhD on these topics, there is waste of time. Are you understanding the point? That is why I have told your target should be qualify the exam to get the marks and qualify. There is no need of doing PhD. PhD means reading thoroughly, reading in deep. There is no need of reading in depth of this topic. Only what questions are coming? Yes, I have done these topics. Okay, no problem. So like this you have to go. म्हणजे काय प्रश्न येतात त्या टॉपिकवर तितकाच प्रकारचा अभ्यास करणं अपेक्षित आहे. तुम्ही त्याच्यापेक्षा खूप पुढे जात असाल तर काही उपयोग होणार नाही. तुम्ही वेस्ट करताय टाइम. ओके. आणि असं करून तुम्ही परीक्षा पास होणार नाही. जी एक्झामची डिमांड आहे, एक्झामची डिमांड काय एखाद्या टॉपिकची तितकं तुम्हाला समजायला पाहिजे आणि तेवढंच वाचता यायला पाहिजे. इतकं तुम्ही केलं तर खूप सहजपणे ही परीक्षा पास होऊ शकता. ओके. हे मला तुम्हाला सांगायचं होतं. हे सब ऑल सब्जेक्ट अप्लिकेबल आहे हे. ऑल सब्जेक्ट केमिस्ट्री, मॅथ्स, लाईफ सायन्स ऑल्सो ऑल सब्जेक्ट. जो टॉपिक आहे त्या टॉपिकवर काय प्रश्न येतात तितकाच तेवढा आपला अभ्यास झाला की अभ्यास आपला पूर्ण झाला. ओके. नाउ सो मेनी social science subject has this type questions or some pure science also this type question assertion and reason. Okay. How to solve this type of question assertion and reason? The simple way is that assertion here, reason here, you have to add because in the between and read the sentence. Learning is a lifelong process because learning to be useful must be linked with life processes. Yes, then what is the answer? A is also correct, R is also correct, and R is the reason of A. This will be the answer because the meaning is sound. कारण अर्थ पूर्ण होत आहे. बिकॉज शब्द मी घातला तर दोन्ही वाक्य जॉईन होतात. या बिकॉज शब्दामुळे दोन्ही वाक्य जॉईन होतात. त्यामुळे आपलं उत्तर आपल्याला लगेचपणे समजतं. याच्यामध्ये 4 प्रकारचे उत्तर असतात. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So this is the correct answer which we have seen the question. Okay. The second type is A are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. Okay. Now, how to understand if the second option is correct? How to understand? Here, if I have written because and I'm not getting sound meaning, मी चांगल्या प्रकारचा अर्थ मला लागत नसेल, दोन्ही वाक्य हे मिळून जर योग्य प्रकारे अर्थ लागत नसेल, तर माझं कोणतं उत्तर असेल? तर माझं हे सेकंड नंबरचं उत्तर असेल. ओके. आणि हे थर्ड आणि फोर्थला तुम्हाला सांगायची गरज नाही. देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशन. दिस इज ए ट्रू आर फॉल्स. इफ यू रीड ए इज ट्रू अँड आर यू रीड इट इज फॉल्स. लाइक दिस A is false, R is true. So true, false, you know. But for these two questions, you have to add the two options. You have to add because in between. You will get the answer. Okay. Now I will give you some tips, some suggestion for paper one topics in minimum 1 or 2 minutes. So like this will give you what to study, how to study for these topics. Okay. Data interpretation. In data interpretation, you should know the percentage technique, how to get percentage. For example, if this is 5,000, if I delete this last digit, then I will get 10%. If I delete the last digit, then I will get 1%. This is the basic technique of percentage. 100%, 10%, 1%. Like this, if you divide any number by 4, for example, 100 by 4, this is 25. Okay. So like this, 60 by 4, this is 15. Okay. If I divide by 4, then I will get 25%. Okay. Like this. If I divide by 3, then I will get 33.33%. If I divide by 4, I will get 25%. If I divide by 5, then I will get 20%. Like this basic formula, if you should know, then you can solve the percentage also. Okay. I will teach you one simple method of solving percentage. 2015, 500. This is TV sales. In 2016, it is 600. The TV sale increased by 100 number, not percentage, it is number, 100 number. Okay. Then how much percent increase? The how much percent increase, I have to relate this 100 to with this 500. Okay. Out of 500, the 100 is percentage, what we will say? Okay. Into 100, into 100. Then 100 out of 500 into 100. Okay. So this is this 2, 5, this is 20%. Okay. This is our school education system way, which were taught by our teacher. Okay. Now simple method we can do, simple method. Out of 500, 50 is 10%. 50 is 10% because why? I have deleted last digit. 50 is 10%. 100 is 20%. There is no need of solving like this. There is no need of solving like this. Like this, I can solve 20%, 500 and 100. In 500, 50 is 10%, 100 is 20% like this. The other is how much percent decrease. For example, in 2016, 600 TV sales. In 2017, it is 300. So the less number is by 300. Okay. How I should relate? Out of 600, the 300 percentage is 50%. Then how much percent decrease? It is 50% decrease. If you understood this concept, you will get 4 marks in set paper. Because out of 5 questions, 2 questions are on this only basic concept of percentage. You will get 4 marks. Okay. On percentage. What to do for data interpretation? Understand set previous year data interpretation tables and its questions. What we can do? Minimum 5 question papers. Okay. If you have done minimum 5 question paper data interpretation table of set exam or net exam and its questions, then if you understood concept asked in data interpretation, then practice daily 1 DI. I have written here minimum 30 DI should be solved. Okay. Till the exam minimum 30 DI. If you don't have 30 DI, you can solve 50 DI. This also sufficient. This also sufficient. But the starting phase of reading the data interpretation is understanding previous year data interpretation tables, previous year question paper data interpretation tables and its questions and concept asked in DI. Which concepts are being asked? If you study thoroughly this topic, you will get more marks. Many arts students are not getting marks in this. खूप साऱ्या आर्ट्सच्या मुलांना याच्यात मार्क मिळत नाहीत. This is scoring topic. Data interpretation is scoring topic. Okay. After then, logical reasoning. In logical reasoning, every set exam has question on syllogism. They are asking one question on syllogism. They are asking one question on this Venn diagram. Every question has one question on Pramana, set exam, one question on Pramana, set exam, one question on Venn diagram. Set question has one question on syllogism. Okay, in which where syllogism will come in this structure of categorical proposition. In this, the syllogism will come. Okay, one question on syllogism, one question on analogy, and one different difficult question. Okay, If you study previous question paper, then you will understand the same pattern of question paper, the same pattern. You will get more marks. What to do? The same understand, said previous question paper, logical reasoning questions, concept asked in the logical reasoning, practice questions weekly. Okay, practice questions weekly. This is the technique for logical reasoning. But you have to read this newly added subtopic. This is newly added subtopic. Pramana is newly added topic, structure and kind of anumana, inference, vyapti and hetuabhas. This is newly added subtopic. This also. Okay. You have to study this. Minimum 2 questions will be asked in set exam. This is newly added topic. Okay. Logical reasoning. For syllogism, I have one video on YouTube. Okay. I have one video on YouTube. You can search like this. You will get video. So I will not waste my time here. Like this, you will search Shashikant Shinde Setnet. You will get my YouTube channel. Then you can see the syllogism video. You will get minimum 2 or 4 marks on syllogism. Okay. After then, mathematical reasoning. In mathematical reasoning, this is old syllabus. This is old syllabus, and this is newly added topic. This is newly added topic. Okay. Fraction, time, distance, ratio, proportion, percentage, profit and loss, interest, discounting, average. This is newly added topic. So many questions are coming on this newly added topic. So you have to take any MPSC basic question, basic book or any school level book like scholarship exam, and you can study this newly added subtopic. Practice is very important for getting marks in this. Practice, doing practice. These are 8 topics. Okay, these are 8 topics. If you are giving 5 days for one topic, 5 days for one topic, in 40 days, you will cover all mathematical reasoning and aptitude in 40 days because 8 topic into 5 days. You will take 40 days. Okay. One topic, 5 days, understanding the concept and solving the questions. So this is the way to get more mark in mathematical reasoning. Study this newly added subtopic. Okay. Reading comprehension. In reading comprehension, this is OMR based set question paper. In NET exam, there is online exam. Okay. What to do for reading comprehension? There is difference between understand and comprehension. Okay. Understand means to know the text. Comprehension means to go beyond the understanding, means reading between the line. This is comprehension. Reading according to the context. This is comprehension. Okay. So comprehension is more complex process than understand. So that is why we read right here reading comprehension, not reading understanding. Okay. Comprehension is one more step than understanding. Okay. Complex process. First read passage and then read question. Many students do what they do. They read question first, after then passage. If you're getting more mark like this formula, you can use it. But the scientific formula for reading comprehension is first read the passage with silent mind, understand the passage while reading. After only read the questions. Okay. Solve in middle time. The reading comprehension passage should be solved in middle time because at the starting your mind is not calm, your mind is not cool for solving the passage. At the last, you were in a hurry because you don't have time. You have to solve it fast. So the passage should be solved in middle time. Keywords underline, write down. Okay. You have to underline the keywords in the passage because the said paper is offline paper. And for net paper is online paper. You have to write down on rough sheet the key points, keywords. Keywords means people name, some we can tell all type of nouns. All types of nouns are keywords. Nouns. Okay, nouns म्हणजे सर्व प्रकारचे नाम. We can say abstract noun also. Okay. एखाद्या व्यक्तीचं नाव असेल, पर्वताचं नाव असेल, शिखराचं नाव असेल, ओके, नदीचं नाव असेल, ठिकाणाचं नाव असेल. These are keywords in the passage. Underline the keyword. practice before exam 30 passages. Minimum 30 passages you have to solve before exam. Then only you will get more marks. आपण काही करत नाही, डायरेक्ट परीक्षेला पॅसेज सोडवतो, you will not get marks. You are going to exam and directly you are solving the passage. How you will get marks? Your practice should be there. First tick mark answer on question paper for set exam. First tick mark answer on question paper. Then only encircle on OMR sheet. Okay. For example, if this is question paper, these are questions. First, I will tick mark on question paper like this. Then only I will collect all these 5 questions. Then I will go to OMR sheet. Then I will encircle on OMR sheet. Understand the question meaning. Set exam English passage is very easier than Marathi passage. You have to solve English passage in set exam because this is very easier. Marathi passages are difficult passages. So don't go to Marathi passage. You have to go English passage in set exam, very easier passages. Title or central theme. Okay. What is title and what is central theme? I will tell you. All English Hollywood movie title has title, and Bollywood movie title are central theme. Now look here. If the Bollywood movie title, for example, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, if the Bollywood movie name, this is not a title, this is central theme. Anyone can understand by reading the movie name what is the central theme in the movie. Okay. What is title? For example, Matrix. Matrix is a movie name, Hollywood movie name. If you read the Matrix movie title, then you will not get any meaning of the Matrix. If you watch the movie Matrix, after then only you can understand why the movie has title Matrix. For example, Life of Pi. Life of Pi is the title of the Hollywood movie. Okay. If I read the Life of Pi, I will not get any meaning of Life of Pi. If I watch the movie Life of Pi, after then I will understand why the movie has title of Life of Pi. So this is difference between title and central theme. All Bollywood movie name are central theme, not title. And all most Hollywood movie name are titles. Because what is title? Title means the uniqueness. The title name will not come in the passage. Okay. The title name should be different than passage. So these are some requirement for title. You can solve title and central theme question like this. Then I'm going towards environment topic. I'm giving some idea about how to study these topics of paper one. I will first tick mark newly added subtopic. This is newly added topic. MDG, Millennium Development and Sustainable Development Goal. This is newly added subtopic. Then this is newly added subtopic. Then this is newly added subtopic. Okay. In this also, this climate change and socio-economic political dimension. This is also newly added subtopic. Okay. First, understand these newly added subtopic because question paper setter are asking more questions on this. Okay. In environment, you have to make more revision of factual data because environment has factual data. Many factual data are here. For example, if you say Environment Protection Act, you have to know some uh, articles or some sections in this Environment Protection Act. National Action Plan on Climate Change, 8 action plans are there. Montreal Protocol, in which city it is occurred, why Montreal Protocol has done, what is the year, in which country. So like this factual data you have to buy heart, not by heart, but you have to do more revision. You have to do more revision, then you will get more marks. Environment has more factual data. So you have to get more revision, you will get more marks. If you don't have revision, you will get less mark because it has so much bulk information, so much factual data you have to do. In higher education, this is new topic. Institution of Higher Learning and Education in Ancient India. This is new topic. Then this is also new topic. This Oriental conventional, non-conventional, professional, technical, skill-based education. Okay. These are new topics. You have to do all these new topics study very well. This topic has big information. So many information is there. You can't do that much information. So what to do? Leave the topic. Don't study the topic because so many information, so much information. You can't retain all this information. First, understand this topic. This is simple topic. All institutions here, these six concept here, not six. These are eight concept here. If you understood these eight concept, oriental, conventional, non-conventional, professional, technical, skill-based, value education, environmental education. These are eight concept. If you understood eight concept and all these major institution in India, then your 90% syllabus is covered here. And this topic, policy, governance, and administration, SET exam is not asking question on this. No question in SET exam. Previous 2 3 years, there is no question. Here they are asking one question, but the question is very difficult. You have to read more material. What I think, don't go to this topic. If you have time, then only go to this topic. If you don't have time, then leave it. Because 100% study is 100% fail. That is my formula. I will tell you here. 100% study is equal to 100% fail. I tell many times. Why? Because studying all things means not it means qualifying. Okay. If you read 50% study with revision and with practice, it means 100% success, 100% pass. Okay. There is no UPSC, MPSC, all aspirants. There are no students who are studying 100% syllabus. Okay. You have to do 50, maximum 60% study, but with good revision, with good practice, you will get success. In my experience, whatever exams I have qualified, I have qualified all these exams based on 50 or 60% study. Only 50 or 60% study, I have qualified all these exams. Okay. Many students do 100% study, but they forget revision and practice, and this relate to fail. Okay. Understand this also. In higher education, which institutions are important? MHRD, UGC, AIU, NAC, AICTE, NUPA, NIPA, NCRT, NCT, CSIR, Indian Institute of Science, IIM, IIT, IGNO, and all central university. These are important national institutions you have to study, and many questions are coming on all this topic. These all national institutions are important in higher education. After then, I will relate both this topic here: research aptitude and teaching aptitude, because both this topic has same strategy for studying. Okay, both these two topics, research aptitude and teaching aptitude. Okay, these both topics are based on understanding concept. If you know the concept, then only will get mark. If you know the concept only, then you will go, then only you will get marks. If you don't know the concept, you will get 0 marks. So this is related to both these topics, research aptitude and teaching aptitude. Then what to do? Understand the concept of research and teaching aptitude. How to understand this concept? By previous year question paper analysis, you can understand previous year question paper analysis, or you can understand some simple books which get clear understanding of the topic. Okay, this is base. And second is simple books. If you find simple books about teaching and research concept, this also will lead you more marks. Okay. There is no factual question on this. There is no factual question. Environment, higher education, ICT has more factual question. But research and teaching has a concept-based question. If you know the concept only, then only will get marks. Okay. Then what I will tell you, understand basic concept related to research, understand all previous questions. Okay. In my old book also, I have given teaching and research concepts in very well manner. My old book. If you get Xerox also, you can use it. In teaching aptitude also, the same strategy for teaching aptitude. Understand basic concept of teaching and understand all previous questions. Okay. Then I'm coming towards communication. In communication, this is new topic, mass media and society. This is newly added subtopic. You have to focus more on this. Then the new topics are, okay, this is only one subtopic. Communication has also 50 to 60% concept based question. Concept means types of communication. Okay, types of communications are concept based question. Then communication meaning, communication definition given by some experts, some scientists. So these questions are coming. In communication, you have to know the types of communication, all these concepts. What is verbal communication? What is non-verbal? What is group communication? Formal, informal, grapevine communication, interpersonal, intrapersonal, face-to-face, mass communication, downward, upward, horizontal, vertical. So these are types of communication. If you understood this concept, you will get 2 to 4 marks. Okay. Then I'm coming forwards to ICT. In ICT, these are newly added subtopic. Digital initiative in higher education, ICT and governance. For this topic, you will get notes on MHRD website. This is not MHRD now. This is Minister of Education now. Okay. Minister of Education, Central Government of India. On this website, you will get notes of this digital initiative in higher education. And ICT and governance, you have to search in Google. Google will tell you more information about ICT and governance. And this is old syllabus. Okay. In this, general abbreviations are there. Some ICT concepts are there. Memory measuring techniques are there. 1024 KB is what? This is 1 MB. So like these questions are there. Question related to internet, intranet, social media, email. These questions are coming in set exam. Okay. At last, if you ask me what is the formula to get success in net set exam, if you ask what is the success formula, I have dropped one word here, but I have choose two word success formula: revision and practice. I have missed the study word. Why? I have missed the study word because all students do study. All students are doing study. That is why I have not written the studies word here. What I have written here, you are studying, but you are not doing revision and you are not doing practice. That is why the missing point, and I want to suggest you that this missing point should be understood by you. And in study, you have to add these words: revision and practice. Whatever you are reading, do revision minimum 5 times. Revision, if you do 10 times, that is better, no problem. Practice question paper, minimum 10 practice question papers you have to solve before exam. 10 practice questions papers. Okay. And revision minimum 5 times. Okay. This is the two-word success formula for qualifying the net set exam. Okay. After this, if you have any questions of any topic, you can ask me. Any questions? First of all, I will unmute to you. You can ask English also, Hindi also, Marathi also. You can unmute yourself and you can ask questions. Okay.
हॅलो
Yes.
हॅलो सर तुम्ही आतापर्यंत जे टॉपिक डिस्कस केलात ते माहिती खूपच छान होती सर थँक्यू पण तुम्ही जे डिस्कशन केलात ते फक्त सेट एक्झाम वरच जास्त स्ट्रेस देत होतं
बर
मग नेट एक्झामचं प्रिपरेशन काय आहे कसं करायचं कारण
नेट
सेट
एक्झाम ही
आणि
ओके
सेट
नेट
आणि
एक्झाम
नेट
ही
मध्ये
सांगतो नेट एक्झाम ऑनलाईन आहे. नेटसाठी तुम्हाला नेटचे क्वेश्चन पेपर प्रिंट काढावे लागतील, त्याचा अनालिसिस करावं लागेल. आणि
ओके
नेटची डिफिकल्टी थोडी हार्ड होत चाललेली आहे. तुम्हाला त्या
हा
लेवलचं सध्या कंटेंट मिळत नाही मार्केटमध्ये, त्यामुळे ती
ओके
एक्झाम आणखीन डिफिकल्ट होत जाणार आहे. तुम्हाला
हा
नेटचे
हा
प्रिव्हियस क्वेश्चन पेपर अनालिसिस करून त्या लेवलचे पुस्तक आणावं लागतील.
हा
मार्केटमध्ये असे सेकंड हँड पुस्तकं मिळत नाहीत किंवा पेपर वनचे तुम्ही पुस्तक घेत असाल तर तुम्हाला कुठलंही चांगलं पुस्तक मिळणार नाही. तुम्हाला
हा
सिंगल सिंगल सेपरेट पुस्तक घ्यावं लागेल आणि मग
हा
तुम्हाला
हा
त्याच्यातला चांगला स्कोर मिळू शकतो. ओके, हे
ओके
झालं नेटसाठी.
सर. सेटच्या संदर्भात एक असा प्रश्न विचारायचा सर, की
हम्म.
आता जी परीक्षा आहेत सगळ्या MCQ म्हणजे वस्तुनिष्ठ प्रश्न आहेत सगळे. तर तशा पॅटर्न मध्ये सोशल सायन्स साठी कुठले बुक्स तुम्हाला माहिती आहेत का? फॉर
नाही माहिती.
एक्झाम्पल इकॉनॉमिक्स असतील किंवा सोशिओलॉजी असेल,
आहेत ना
पॉलिटिकल सायन्स
मार्केटमध्ये
असेल.
खूप सारे पुस्तकं आहेत. पेपर 2 चे
नाही
म्हणताय
सर,
ना?
मराठीमध्ये नाहीत. मराठीमध्ये खूप खूप कमी मटेरियल आहे.
मराठीमध्ये मटेरियलच नाही.
हा, नाही
पेपर
म्हणलं
वन
तरी
सुद्धा
चालेल. आहेत.
पेपर वन साठी सुद्धा मराठीमध्ये चांगले पुस्तक नाहीत. पेपर 1 चे म्हणतोय मी. ओके.
नाहीत नाहीत.
इंग्लिशमध्ये काही चांगले मिळतील, पण तरी सुद्धा ती भाषा खूप डिफिकल्ट आहे आणि त्या लेवलची नाहीत. त्यामुळं मराठी अभ्यास करणाऱ्या मुलांना खूप साऱ्या अडचणी येणारच आहेत. त्यामुळे तुम्ही थोडं इंग्लिश समजून घ्या, म्हणजे चांगले
हा.
मार्क पडतील.
तर मग चांगलं मटेरियल मिळवण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, की
क्वेश्चन पेपर पहिला
म्हणजे
अभ्यास करा. क्वेश्चन पेपर
हा
अभ्यास करून मग तुम्ही त्या पुस्तकाच्या दुकानात जा आणि मग तुम्ही बघा की आपल्याला जे क्वेश्चन येतात ते क्वेश्चनची उत्तरं त्या पुस्तकात मिळतात का, मग तेच पुस्तक घ्यायची. त्यामुळे एकदा
ओके
क्वेश्चन पेपर समजून घेणं पहिलं काम, नंतर का मग पुस्तकाच्या दुकानात जाणं पुण्यात वगैरे आणि पुण्यातून
ओके
ते पुस्तकं बघून मग शोधून आणणं, ही तुम्हाला करावं
ओके
लागेल. बरोबर.
ओके सर. ओके
ठीक
सर,
आहे.
थँक्यू.
कुठलंही पुस्तक मार्केटमधलं घेतलं आणि 2020 किंवा 19 किंवा 21 किंवा 22 किंवा
आवाज कमी येतो खूप तुमचा. मला वाटतं वेळ पण खूप झाला. मला लक्षात आलं नाही. 1 तास संपवायचं होतं पण 1.5 तास गेले.
तर
हम्म.
तुम्ही हा जो नंबर दिलाय त्याच्यावर आम्ही कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकतो का? सॉरी.
तुम्ही मेसेज करू शकता काय विचारायचं असेल तर.
ओके सर. ओके सर, थँक्यू.
हाय सर. हॅलो.
बोला. बोला.
हॅलो सर, माझा एक क्वेश्चन होता. हॅलो.
बोला.
तुम्ही म्हटलं की फक्त टार्गेट एकच हे ठेवायची एक्झाम,
हम्म.
नेट
हम्म.
सेट. आता मी केमिस्ट्री फील्डची MSc केमिस्ट्री झालंय माझं, तर
हम्म.
आम्हाला गेट पण असते.
बर.
तो आत्ता आत्ता गेट मागच्या महिन्यात गेटचे फॉर्म सुटलेले होते आणि आता नेटचे फॉर्म सुटलेले आहेत. ते एकच टार्गेट, पण मग आम्ही एक्सपिरियन्स साठी दुसरी एक्झाम म्हणजे देऊ शकतो का, किंवा डायव्हर्ट म्हणजे
एकदम
असं
करेक्ट.
काही?
बघा, सिंपल याचं उत्तर आहे. तुम्ही एप्रिलच्या सेटचं टार्गेट ठेवा, गेटचं पण फॉर्म भरा, CSR नेटचं पण फॉर्म भरा, पण त्याला कुठलाही सिरियसली अभ्यास न करता परीक्षा अपेअर व्हा. परीक्षा अपेअर व्हायची तेवढ्या एका दिवसासाठी एक्सक्यूज तुम्हाला परीक्षा अपेअर व्हायला, पण टार्गेट एकच, आपल्याला एप्रिलची सेट परीक्षा पास करायची आहे. असं तुम्ही करा. तर तुम्ही गेटचा पण करताय, CSR नेट पण करताय, सेट पण करताय. आताच माझ्याकडनं तुम्ही लिहून घ्या, तुम्ही तिन्ही परीक्षा नापास होताय.
ओके सर,
अपेअर
ओके,
व्हा.
थँक्यू सर.
बघा मी काय सांगतो, अपेअर व्हा. अपेअर व्हायला कुठलंही बंधन नाही. फॉर्म भरा, अपेअर व्हा, पण टार्गेट एकच ठेवायचं. डायव्हर्ट व्हायचं नाही. डायव्हर्ट झालं की नापास झालं.
ओके सर, थँक्यू सर.
चला, आणखीन काय ज्युनियन क्वेश्चन असेल तर घ्या, नाही तर आपण थांबूयात. तुमच्या काही वेगळ्या शंका असेल तर चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये विचारलं चालेल.
हॅलो सर.
बोला. बोला.
सर, मला असं विचारायचं होतं, तुम्ही एक सेंटेन्स मध्ये बोलले होते की आर्ट स्टुडंटला हे थोडंसं डिफिकल्ट जातं.
हम्म.
माझं MA आर्ट आहे सर. तर मग
हम्म.
तुम्ही काय सजेस्ट करू शकता, म्हणजे आम्ही काय इम्प्रुव्हमेंट केली पाहिजे, म्हणजे मॅथमॅटिकल कन्सेप्ट, लॉजिकल रिझनिंग हे खरंच थोडं डिफिकल्ट जातं सर.
हा मराठीतले
म्हणजे
पुस्तक
हे
आहे
कॉम्प्रेन्शन.
एमपीएससी चे मराठीतले पुस्तक घ्या. सीसॅटचं पुस्तक घ्या. एमपीएससी मधलं सीसॅटचं पुस्तक तुम्हाला रिडिंग कॉम्प्रेशन सांगेल. कारण एमपीएससी चे ह्याचे पुस्तक आहे, तुम्हाला बुद्धिमत्तेचे पुस्तक आहेत, गणिताचे पुस्तक आहेत, तुम्हाला उपयोगाला येतील. मराठीत मटेरियल आहे त्याचं. फक्त मराठीमध्ये आपल्याकडे बाकीच्या गोष्टीचं मटेरियल नाही, विशेष करून पेपर 2 चं म्हणा किंवा असं. पण याचं मटेरियल आहे. ओरिजिनल पुस्तक वाचा. तुम्ही एखादा नेटसेट पेपर एक मराठीतलं पुस्तक आणाल आणि त्याच्यातनं तुम्हाला हे समजलं असं म्हणाल तर त्याची गॅरंटी नाही. ओरिजिनल गणिताचं ओरिजिनल पुस्तक, बुद्धिमत्तेचं ओरिजिनल पुस्तक, एमपीसीचं उतारा आकलनचं ओरिजिनल पुस्तक, असं तुम्ही आणून वाचत असाल तर तुम्हाला समजेल. बाकी नेटसेट पुस्तकांना समजेल याची गॅरंटी देऊ शकत नाही.
ओके सर, थँक्यू.
कुठल्याही पेपरमध्ये आपण जेव्हा प्रश्नपत्रिकेला सामोरं जातो स्टेटच्या, म्हणजे 21चा असो 22चा असो, ते निम्मेच प्रश्न ओळखीचे असतात. म्हणजे किती मार्केटची पुस्तकं वाचले पेपर वनचे तरी.
हॅलो सर.
हॅलो.
राजेंद्र सर, तुमचा आवाज खूप कमी येतो, माईक जवळ का?
हा सर.
हॅलो सर.
आता येतो सर आवाज?
नाही, आवाज येत नाही राजेंद्र सर. Yes, Iram Khan, madam.
Sir, I want to ask you something.
Yes.
Actually, I am pursuing MSc Physics. सर नेट के पेपर में फिजिक्स के न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने के लिए सर काफी टाइम जाता है। तो सर कोई टिप्स? कॉम्प्लिकेटेड न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व तो बहुत रहते पेपर्स में।
You can go for SET exam. SET
तो
exam
नहीं
is
सर,
very
नेट
easy.
में भी तो
नेट में?
सर आई वांट टू क्लियर नेट एग्जाम।
Okay. Then you have to ask specialist of physics student. There is no answer with me, but I will suggest you that physics SET is easy than net. Physics SET qualifying is very easy than CSR net. Okay.
ओके ओके, थँक्यू सर।
सर नमस्कार, मी बोलू शकतो?
हा बोला।
सर्वप्रथम तुमचे आभार, तुम्ही खूप छान मार्गदर्शन केलं। माझा एक प्रश्न होता की जर टॉपिक वाईज क्वेश्चन 5-5 सोडवायचे आहेत आपल्याला, तर ते टॉपिक वाईज क्वेश्चन पेपर कुठे मिळतील किंवा कुठलं बुक रेफर करावं त्यासाठी?
कुठलंही बुक रेफर करू नका। बुक रेफर केलं की तुम्ही परीक्षा नापास होताय। सेटच्या वेबसाईटवर जाणे, सेटच्या वेबसाईटवर क्वेश्चन पेपर आहेत ते प्रिंट काढणे, ते कात्रीनं कट करणे, टॉपिक वाईज वेगळं करणे, त्याचे उत्तर टिकमार्क करणे आणि मग अभ्यास करणे, ही संपूर्ण प्रक्रिया झाली की मग तुम्हाला समजेल। रेडीमेड मटेरियल काहीच उपयोगाचं नाही। रेडीमेड मटेरियलवाला किती प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक करून छापला असेल, किती छपाई दोष असेल, किती उत्तर चुकी दिलं असेल, याची काय गॅरंटी देऊ शकत नाही आपण। त्यामुळं आपण आपलं ओरिजिनल अभ्यास करावा की ज्याच्यातनं आपल्याला याच्यातनं चांगलं यश मिळवता येतं। ओके, तर अशा प्रकारे आपण
थँक्यू
करा। ऑलरेडी सेटच्या वेबसाईटला क्वेश्चन पेपर अवेलेबल आहेत, ते प्रिंट
येस सर,
काढून
थँक्यू
अनालिसिस करणे।
थँक्यू थँक्यू सर।
हॅलो
सर।
हॅलो।
थांबत आपण शेवटचे 2 प्रश्न आता बोला।
सर ते तुम्ही म्हटले की मराठीतले बुक ओरिजिनल अभ्यास करायचा, तर इंग्लिश मधले पण चालतील सर? म्हणजे मग सांगता
हा,
येतील का नाव?
इंग्लिश मध्ये पण खूप चांगलं मटेरियल आहे, घ्या।
ओके
सर। हॅलो हॅलो सर, माझा आवाज येतो सर? हॅलो।
चौधरी सर, तुमचा आवाज येत नाही, पण तरी बोला, तुम्ही एकदा समजून घ्या।
सर, ते जी कुठलीही प्रश्नपत्रिका समजा मागच्या वर्षी 2023 ची प्रश्नपत्रिका आहे किंवा 22 ची बाजारात कुठलंही पेपर वनचं मटेरियल, रेडीमेड मटेरियल तुमचं पुस्तकात सगळे प्रश्न त्यातले येत नाहीत। हॅलो
हा
हॅलो।
हो बोला बोला।
हा, सगळे प्रश्न येत नाही, निम्मेच प्रश्न असतात। निम्मे प्रश्न असे वाटतात की ते नवीनच आहेत।
बर,
हॅलो।
तसं तसं नाही सर,
तर याच्यावर
नवीन
काय?
प्रश्न नाहीत ते।
हं.
प्रश्न हे टॉपिक रिलेटेडच असतात।
हा, पण ते पुस्तक वाचून तुमच्या पुस्तकाची मी पारायण केली सर, तरी पण मला 25च प्रश्न सोडवतात। मी 50च्या वरती कधी जातच नाही।
मग तुमचं मटेरियल चुकतंय ना। तुम्ही ज्या मटेरियल मधनं प्रश्न ते मटेरियल वाचत नाही, तुमचे मार्क कसे वाढणार? त्यामुळे क्वेश्चन
तुमचं
पेपर जे आहेत, क्वेश्चन पेपर नुसार तुम्ही मटेरियल वाचायला पाहिजे, म्हणजे तुम्हाला मार्क मिळतील। ओके, ठीक आहे।
सर नमस्कार, माझे चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये मी एक प्रश्न टाकलेला आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये मी एज क्रायटेरिया विचारलाय।
कुठलाही एज क्रायटेरिया नाही नेट सेट परीक्षेला।
टू गेट
कुठलाही
द
वयात
जॉब
परीक्षा देऊ
सर।
शकतो।
सर टू गेट द जॉब।
जॉब साठी देखील कुठलाही क्रायटेरिया नाही, फक्त एमपीएससी मार्फत जर जॉब असेल तर त्याला क्रायटेरिया आहे। बाकी कॉलेजच्या प्राध्यापकाला कुठलाही क्रायटेरिया नाही।
एज लिमिट नाही आहे म्हणजे?
नाही, कॉलेजच्या प्राध्यापक एज लिमिट नाही, पण एमपीएससी मार्फत एज लिमिट आहे। एमपीएससी ची भरती निघाली सहाय्यक प्राध्यापक, त्याला एज लिमिट आहे।
ओके, थँक्यू सर।
हॅलो,
बोला, लास्ट प्रश्न आता। हा
सर, बऱ्याच वेळा कसं होतं की ऑप्शन सगळे जसं म्हणजे कन्फ्युजन होतं की सेम असल्यासारखं वाटतं बरेच, म्हणजे जसं असर्शन आणि रिझन मध्ये। तर अशा वेळा कुठली ट्रिक्स किंवा म्हणजे 2-3 तर ऑप्शन तसे वाटतं की याच्यामध्ये कन्फ्युजन वाटतं, किंवा जसं समजा ए आहे, म्हणजे ए बरोबर आहे आणि दुसरं एक्सप्लेनेशन त्याचं करेक्ट आहे, किंवा ए बरोबर आहे आणि दुसरं एक्सप्लेनेशन त्याचं करेक्ट नाही, याच्यामध्ये असं कसं कन्फ्युजन म्हणजे आपण ट्रिक काही असं
सिंपल
काय
उत्तर त्याचं
सांगू?
आहे ए ऑप्शनला टिक मार्क करा. मॅक्झिमम उत्तर ए असतं, त्यामुळे काय टेन्शन घेऊ नका. ए ऑप्शनला टिक मार्क करा.
येस येस
आणि
येस
कन्फ्युजन होण्याचं एकच कारण आहे, रिव्हिजन नसणं. ज्याचं रिव्हिजन कच्चं असतं त्याला कन्फ्युजन होतं. ज्याचं रिव्हिजन चांगलं असतं त्याला कन्फ्युजन कधीही होत नाही.
येस सर येस.
कन्फ्युजन होणं म्हणजे काय, की आपल्याला रिकॉल म्हणजे आठवत नाही किंवा रिकॉग्नाइज ओळखता येत नाही. आणि हे होत नाही म्हणजे आपलं रिव्हिजन नाही. हे सिंपल त्याचं उत्तर आहे.
येस सर येस येस. थँक्यू सर.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes. Please vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Shinde sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
It
very
was
much.
really very informative. Yes.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful session. I hope
आम्हाला ह्याचं रेकॉर्डिंग मिळेल का?
Thank you, sir.
has surely guided
Yes,
each and
yes.
every participant for the next set exam. I now request Anisha to please.
You're on mute. Please check you're on mute.
Good afternoon, one and all. It is said, no duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. So I am delighted to have been given the pleasant duty of delivering the vote of thanks. I, Anisha Birla, on behalf of Ashoka Education Foundation, AICESR, and the entire team of AEF, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to our distinguished person, Speaker, Mr. Shashikant Shinde, sir, for conducting very interesting and meaningful session. I would like to express our profound gratitude to our principal, Dr. Sarita Verma, madam, for her valuable support. I am glad to express vote of thanks to Competitive Exam Cell in charge and convener of this workshop, Professor Ganesh Vag sir, IQC coordinator, Dr. Preeti Sonar madam, all faculty members and participants who have made this session a grand success. Special mention of Christina for being such a great host. Once again, I thank all of you for your cordial cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Good work. MOC girls.
Thank you, participants. Baksa, do you want to give any instructions for tomorrow?
No, I will share the link on group.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone can join in time for this
Yes.
7 days.
Yes. We will share the YouTube link also if recording available.
Yes. So can they leave, sir, if you allow?
Yes.
We'll
Everyone
just
can.
close the meeting now.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's end the meeting here. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ashoka team.